Welcome. Welcome to a world where dreams are no longer limited by walls, degrees, or office chairs. Welcome to a generation where a small screen holds big opportunities. Welcome to the digital era, where social media is not just entertainment, it is empowerment. Today, we are not here to talk about scrolling, liking, or wasting time. Today, we are here to talk about earning, growth, and freedom. This is the story of how social media can change lives, including yours. In today's digital world, social media is no longer just a place for entertainment. It is no longer only about likes, comments, or followers. Social media has become a powerful income-generating machine. From students to professionals, from housewives to entrepreneurs, millions of people around the world are earning real money, real respect, and real freedom through social media. The question is not, can you earn? The real question is, do you know how? Section 1. The power of social media. Social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, X, have transformed ordinary users into digital entrepreneurs. You don't need a big office, heavy investment, or powerful connections. All you need is a smartphone, internet access, skills, creativity, and consistency. Social media gives everyone equal opportunity. Your background does not matter, your content does. Section 2. Content creation, your digital asset. Content is the backbone of earning online. You can create content in many forms. Educational videos, motivational talks, comedy and entertainment, beauty and fashion, cooking and lifestyle, tech reviews, relationship advice, storytelling and vlogging. Every video, post, or reel you upload is a digital asset. It can earn you money while you sleep. The more value you provide, the more people trust you. And trust is what turns viewers into income. Section 3. YouTube monetization. YouTube is one of the strongest platforms for long-term income. Ways to earn from YouTube. AdSense revenue, sponsored videos, affiliate marketing, channel memberships, brand deals. Once your channel meets monetization criteria, YouTube starts paying you for views. One video can earn for months, even years. That's the power of passive income. Section 4. Instagram and Facebook earning. Instagram and Facebook are perfect for short-form content and branding. You can earn through sponsored posts, brand collaborations, affiliate links, selling your own products, Reels bonus programs. Brands don't pay for followers. They pay for engagement and influence. Even small creators can earn big if their audience trusts them. Section 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means you promote a product and earn commission on every sale. You don't need to create products, handle delivery, manage customer service. Just recommend products honestly. Amazon, Daraj, ClickBank, and many brands offer affiliate programs. This is one of the smartest and safest ways to earn online. Section 6. Freelancing through social media. Social media is not just for creators, it's also for freelancers. If you have skills like video editing, graphic design, writing, voiceover, social media management, you can find clients directly through platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook groups. Your profile becomes your digital CV. Section 7. Selling your own products and services. Many people use social media to sell online courses, coaching sessions, digital products, physical products, consulting services. Social media helps you build authority, create trust, convert followers into customers. People buy from those they believe in. Section 8. Consistency and patience, the real secret. Earning from social media is not magic. It is not overnight success. It requires consistency, learning, failure, improvement. Most people quit too early. Successful people stay even when no one is watching. Remember, social media rewards patience, not shortcuts. Section 9. Common mistakes to avoid. Chasing money instead of value. Copying without originality. Buying fake followers. Expecting instant results. Ignoring audience feedback. Growth comes from authenticity, not shortcuts. Conclusion. Social media is not a waste of time. If you use it wisely, it can give you financial freedom, global recognition, confidence, a powerful voice. The same platform that consumes time can also change your life. The choice is yours. Be a consumer or become a creator. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more meaningful content for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.